transformed, never going back, better than before, never going back. I've been transformed.
We're Dude Perfect. Welcome to Lawnmower Racing Battle. Let's move!
I've been transformed, ready to attack. I've been transformed.
Dude Perfect.
I'm going lawnmower racing. That's what we're doing.
Golly, I feel like a champion.
Well, gentlemen, I have these words of wisdom for you. Better not procrastinate. Sir Longs-a-Lot Mo Marion.
I like the momentum you got going on there.
I'm Mr. Mo-It-All, and you are?
The Millennium Falcon.
And you are?
The Mohawk.
Lawn Ranger, Sodzilla, Turfinator.
Chocolate Moche.
Sir?
My name is Weedy Gonzalez.
You are?
I am Mohammed Ali.
Ace of Blades, Mr. Mojangle.
Have you met all these people?
I know them all intimately.
I'm more of a slow-rolling Modozer.
Oh man, look at that. That's Modacious.
I'm gonna make a bold statement. Kobe ain't winning.
Okay. We've done a lot of battles. We're starting to lose count. I'm certainly starting to lose count. I've got nothing to lose and everything to gain. I established physical presence early. I'm not afraid to put anybody into the wall.
They call me the Modozer. I'm in it to win it.
Figuring out the track, finding the good lines. I'm ready to go.
I'm like a horse with blinders. All I see is the track and a checkered flag. I'm the Mohawk. Half Mohawk, half actual hawk. Weedy Gonzalez is going to get victory today. Let's go.
Checker flag, you're the first one across the line, you are the winner.
Okay, gentlemen, start your engines. Let's go.
Catch up! Catch up! Muhammad Ali! Knockout!
Golly! I'm totally winning, dude. Oh my gosh, here we go.
Woo! This thing is awesome!
Millennium Falcon, light speed! Come on, baby!
Oh man, I spun out! What in the world?
I'm on him. Let's do this. Let's do the Modozer right behind you. Yeah, dude, if he bumps me, I swear.
He took the wide!
Been transformed, never going back.
Ah, my throttle stop! What are you doing? You threw me off my board! No! Come on! Kick him out! Kick him out!
Dude, I think Ty's out. I think Ty's out, dude.
No! Ty's out! It's amazing!
That's incredible.
Oh, yes, I can't believe it!
Let's go, Modozer. I swear Garrett's lawnmower's faster.
Get out of the way!
Ready for all that. I've been transformed, never going back, better than before, never going back. I've been transformed, never going back. This means war. Ready for all that.
Come on, Coach, get your mower out of here! Here we go, boys! See ya, Coach!
No, guy, you have the faster mower, I can tell.
Here we go, boys! Second place, mow down!
I'm definitely winning this thing, bringing home a championship. Let's do this. Modozer's here to stay, baby. Woo! I was born to do this. Let's go! Woo! Yeah!
I feel like Cody slowed me up.
That's on you. I'm too fast for you, buddy.
That was pretty frustrating.
I think I won by like 6 laps.
Classic Ty out of control comes spinning. I go flying for my mower. Hopefully we have that on replay. Let's cut to it. Classic.
There's not a scale that goes high enough for
No?
the level of disappointment that I'm experiencing right now.
The question is, when am I going to accept my trophy on the mow again?
What's up, guys? Thanks for watching. Huge congratulations to Gare. That's a beautiful trophy. Wish I was the owner. Unfortunately, I'm not. No. Thanks everybody at letsmow.com. Had a great time. If you want to see the last video, click right here. Make sure to keep watching the Dude Perfect Show on CMT. Signing off for now. Corner, hit him with a pound.
Pound it.
Phelps, hit him with a knob.
Noggin.
Phelps, hit him with a hat throw. See ya! I don't know about you.
It's mow time.
Baby Moses. You know what I'm saying?
I will say, the family that mows together grows together.